What's the meaning of bubo? Bubo. Bubo.
Bubo. Bubo. Bubo is a term that refers to an owl-shaped ornament or charm that is often worn as a piece of jewelry. It has its roots in ancient Greek and Roman mythology, where the owl was seen as a symbol of wisdom and protection. In contemporary culture, the bubo has become a popular accessory for those who share a fascination with owls or who seek to incorporate elements of ancient mythology into their personal style. Wearing a bubo can be seen as a way of invoking the qualities of wisdom and protection that the owl represents, making it a meaningful and interesting addition to one's wardrobe.